This is Brian Carlton for ABN Newswire. Carbon Energy, ASX code CNX, is focused on building a world-class business that produces clean energy and chemicals from underground coal gasification. Carbon Energy has a current market capitalisation of $250 million. Its Managing Director, Andrew Dash, joins me now. Hi, Andrew. Welcome to ABN.
Hi, Brian. Thank you.
Tell me, the technology was originally developed by CSIRO, is that correct?
That's correct. The CSIRO spent over 10 years investigating 50 years of operational data to come up with a real breakthrough in underground coal gasification technology.
So how does it work?
It's a process whereby we turn the solid coal into gaseous energy by inserting boreholes into the coal and pumping steam and oxygen down there and using heat to drive that solid energy into gaseous energy, which is then recovered at the surface.
So there's no need to dig massive holes?
No, that's precisely right. Very much a lower environmental impact compared to traditional coal mining.
And energy yields from a similar size standard coal mine?
It's a very efficient resource recovery method. We recover almost twice as much energy compared to traditional coal mining methods.
Well, that's staggering. So what sort of product is actually produced by the UCG syngas process?
The gas produced is a mixture of gases, including hydrogen, carbon monoxide and methane, and they can be used in a whole range of processes for low emission power generation, for synthetic natural gas production and a range of chemicals such as ammonia.
Now, you're working at Bloodwood Creek in Queensland. Now, reports indicate the results have been, well, exceeded the top end of your expectations.
Yeah, we've been very pleased with the results that we've achieved. Both in terms of flow rates and gas quality have been fantastic and exceeded our expectations.
Now, you've recently announced a resource upgrade as well.
Yes, we now have more than enough energy to supply Brisbane's gas needs for over 45 years. So we're sitting on a very sizable resource in Queensland and now turning our attention to other states in Australia and indeed the world.
So you'll be getting into domestic energy production?
Looking in the first stage at supplying both power and natural gas into the East Coast established grids for those products, and then in the more medium term looking at chemicals and even liquid fuel manufacture.
Given the energy demand curve over the next 30 or 40 years, that's a good place to be, isn't it?
Absolutely. There's a growing need for energy and energy costs are increasing all the time, so fantastic opportunity for us.
You're looking into collaborative arrangements with a range of different industry players at this stage?
Yeah, look, our strategy is very much to be leaders in the world in underground coal gasification and then looking to partner with a range of companies that bring downstream technology and also access to markets.
And given the yield favourabilities, the technology would be exported as well. This is something that can be used all over the world.
It is, and that's a real feature of the technology. The key modelling tools developed by the CSIRO and owned by Carbon Energy can be applied to any suitable coal seam anywhere in the world.
It's hard to imagine it not going global, really, isn't it?
It's a very exciting time, that's for sure.
Andrew Dash, appreciate your time. Thank you. Managing Director of Carbon Energy.
Thank you.
This is Brian Carlton for ABN Newswire.